I'm sure you've seen these viral YouTube shorts everywhere. But do you know how much they make? Take this channel, for example. They tell mysterious stories generated by AI, and this channel is getting 7 million views monthly. That means it makes around $900 per day solely from ad revenue. And with the secret method I'm about to reveal, they're making even more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these videos without revealing your identity, all while using AI throughout the process to speed up production. I'll walk you through two approaches. One where you leverage AI as a creative assistant, and another where AI handles almost everything with just a few clicks. This way, you can choose the method that best fits your needs. Make sure you watch the entire video. I'm sharing valuable tips and tricks throughout that will make a huge difference for you. But first, why are these mystery videos so popular? It's actually not that complex. These mystery videos are perfect for grabbing viewers' attention by sparking their curiosity, making them wonder, why? How? They watch the entire video to satisfy that curiosity. As you probably know, one key factor YouTube uses to determine a video's quality is watch time. When viewers watch the entire video, YouTube recognizes this engagement and promotes it to an even larger audience, making these videos viral. Now that you understand why these videos are so popular thanks to their mysterious design, let's jump into how to make them. First, we need a good script that will lock viewers onto their screens. Currently, one of the best AI tools for this is ChatGPT. Use this exact prompt. Generate 10 short, spine-tingling mystery script ideas, under 60 seconds, inspired by real-life, unexplained events. Each should start with a gripping hook, connect to documented historical mysteries, such as the Bermuda Triangle, lost civilizations, or unexplained disappearances, and end with a shocking, eerie revelation. This prompt forces ChatGPT to create engaging scripts that keep people watching until the end. Go through the ideas and pick one that you think will perform well. Here are some tips for choosing the best one. Read the first sentence. If it doesn't pique your curiosity, skip it. Ensure there's suspense from start to finish. Look for a clear ending that shows why viewers should watch until the end. If it's missing, skip that idea. Once you've found the perfect idea, prompt ChatGPT again. Write me a full YouTube short script from this idea. Make sure the script keeps the viewer's attention until the end and utilizes popular techniques to achieve this. Then paste your idea. Now that you have your script, it's time to create visuals. There are several options available: Midjourney, DALL-E, Google Imagen, or even FreePix image generation toolset. Today, however, we're using Leonardo.ai because it has a great toolset for creating similar images for storytelling. Let's start by generating some image prompts. Back to ChatGPT. Create 10 unique image prompts for this script and tailor them for Leonardo.ai. Then paste your script. ChatGPT will then provide image prompts that you can copy directly into Leonardo, saving you the hassle of coming up with the perfect prompts. In Leonardo.ai, click on Image Creation. Select the Phoenix model for the best results. Paste the AI-generated prompt and select the aspect ratio of 9:16 for the correct resolution for shorts. Set the number of images to 4 to have some options to choose from. Click Generate. Once you find an image you like, use the image guidance mode to ensure all images have a consistent style, making your video look more professional. Once you've generated your images, the next step is to convert them into videos to make them more engaging. There are several tools available for this purpose, such as Runway, Kling, Google VO, and Luma. Today, however, we're going to use Leonardo's image to motion feature. Pick one of your AI-generated images, then select Generate Motion Video. Lower the motion strength to 3 for optimal results without any odd effects, though you can experiment with higher settings, as it may vary based on the image. Click Generate. Do this for all your images to create a dynamic short that's more engaging than 99% of the mystery shorts on YouTube. Next, we need a voiceover. For this, we're going to use ElevenLabs. Visit ElevenLabs.io and go to Studio. Click on Start from Scratch. Paste your script. Split your script into multiple paragraphs. Select a deep, chilling voice. I'm going to choose Matthew. Thanks to the Studio feature, you can generate the entire voiceover in one go and easily make adjustments later without having to regenerate the whole script, saving you valuable credits. If you don't like a section, just select it and click here to regenerate. You can regenerate each paragraph for free up to 2 times. To download the voiceover, click Export and then click Export again. For editing, you have a range of options, including iMovie, OpenShot, and even Blender has a video editor feature. However, we're using CapCut, as it's the most popular choice. Import all your assets. Drag the voiceover onto the timeline. Set the correct aspect ratio of 9:16. Trim out any silent sections. Place your AI-generated videos in the appropriate positions. Trim or slow them down if necessary. To enhance the mystery aesthetic, darken the clips and adjust the colors if needed. Now add some scary background music and ambient noises to fully immerse your viewers. I recommend using Pixabay for these assets. After you've compiled all your assets, review the video closely. Adjust the timing for scenes that linger too long, and ensure the pacing remains fast and tension-filled to keep viewers hooked every second. Finally, upload your video to YouTube. If you're just starting out, it's crucial to use the right titles, descriptions, and tags. Why? When you first start your channel, YouTube has no idea what type of content you're posting. By using the right titles, descriptions, and tags, you help the platform understand your video's content and who to promote it to. Once your channel is established, these elements still matter. They might not be as critical since YouTube has already categorized your channel, but they can still help you narrow down your current video even further. For this so-called metadata, I can recommend TubeMagic, an AI-based YouTube optimization software. Just type in what your video is about, and in seconds, you'll get an optimized title, description, and tags. TubeMagic also offers tools like a video idea generator, community post generator, keyword research, script writer, and more. If you want to try TubeMagic for just $1, check out the link in the description. Now, let's watch our video.
A routine log interrupted by a sound no sailor wants to hear.
Mayday, they're coming. No time, no time.
Then, nothing. The call came from an unmarked vessel drifting in open water. The crew, unresponsive. The captain, missing. But the strangest part, the voice sounded terrified. A search team was dispatched. They found the ship, abandoned, except for one thing, a logbook. The final entry, "If anyone finds this, we are not alone." The Coast Guard officer reviewing the call leans in closer. He rechecks the signal data, and his breath catches in his throat. The transmission wasn't old. It wasn't from yesterday. It was dated for tomorrow.
Fantastic! But as I mentioned at the beginning, you can further speed up the creation of these videos by using an AI software called VID.AI. VID.AI is essentially an AI video generator that lets you create YouTube shorts with just a few clicks. Click on Faceless Shorts. Type in your video idea. Select a narrator. Choose your visuals. For this niche, I recommend using Cinematic. Click Generate Content. Review the script and images. Click Next. Select background music and adjust the subtitle style to your liking. Click Generate, and within seconds, you'll have a video like this.
It started like any other day on the ship, routine and calm. Suddenly, a chilling distress call breaks the silence.
Mayday, they're coming. No time.
The transmission abruptly cuts to silence. A search team finds the vessel abandoned. Only a cryptic log entry remains. The log hints at an unseen threat. The Coast Guard officer reviews the transmission. He makes a horrifying discovery. The call wasn't from the past. It was a warning from the future.
Fantastic! Now, as you probably know, YouTube Shorts RPM isn't as high as that of long-form content. In case you're unfamiliar, RPM is what you earn per 1,000 views. In our upcoming video, we're going to reveal a method that these channels are using to 10x or even 100x their revenue with a simple trick. Until then, start your mystery channel so when we reveal this method, you'll already have enough views to start making money. Oh, and I almost forgot, no YouTube monetization is required for this method. So until then, check out TubeMagic and VID.AI with the links in the description below. If my next video pops up, click on it and increase your revenue with that simple trick.